Welcome to Do It Yourself Team Project Group 15, Section 6. Our project is Smart Monitoring System of Football Players. Let's see who are working on it.
Hello everyone, this is Alok Kumar Hina.
I am Akash Kumar Singh.
I am Abranil Ghosh.
I am Devaretya Das.
I am Pratham Kadam.
In football or rather any sport, raw talent is necessary, but even more important is to continuously keep working on your traits, knowing your strengths and weakness and improving it. But how to monitor your skills, pace, precision in a regular training? Well, we've got a smart way for that.
Here is the code. Initially, the variables X, AY, AZ, M, T and FV are defined. A is calculating the acceleration and V stores the rate of change of acceleration. Accordingly, for different values of V and A, different types of outcomes are shown in the blink graph. In this method, the main calculations for force acceleration is done and also for the gyroscope. Next, this blink.sync virtual function is used to sync the data with the blink app, and here the distance covered is calculated assuming 2 steps equal to 1 meter. Here is the code for the connection of the HC05 Bluetooth module, and lastly here is the code for the connection of the MPU6050 accelerometer. For this project, we have used many libraries, but specifically this library is applicable only for Arduino 101. So we cannot use it here for Arduino Nano, and this library is used, it cannot be found in the library manager as well. So due to these two issues, we have not been able to run the code successfully.
Yeah, so this is the box. I will put this here. Yeah, so here is the box. Hello, now I will show the drifting part to measure this. हाँ दिखा दे. So here is the box, we can see. एक सारे वापस दिखा दे. Yeah. Let us now look at the connection. So first we'll look at the connection of Arduino Nano with Bluetooth module. So this green pin is VCC. VCC of Bluetooth module is connected with VIN of Arduino. Then ground with ground of Arduino. Then TXD of Bluetooth module is connected with RXD of Nano, and RXD of Bluetooth module is connected with TXD of Nano. So let's now look at the connections of Nano with accelerometer. So I have connected VCC of accelerometer again with VIN of Nano, then ground of accelerometer with ground of Nano, then SCL of accelerometer with A5 of Nano, and SDL with A4 of Nano. So then I have connected battery for power supply. So positive terminal of battery is connected with the VIN of Nano, and negative terminal with ground of Nano. So these were the connections. Let us now put the setup in this box. So I will take this setup and put it here carefully so that we can use this box for trial.